Will you be my Valentine?
How old are you?
32.
Sorry, you're expired. I need standards, not charity cases.
Come on, honey, give me a kiss.
Well, please. Your lipstick already scared me. Oh!
Will you marry me?
Mary? Lady, you're older than the USA itself.
That's not true.
You look like you invented Christmas. Back when it was still called Winter Gathering. Santa Claus is younger than you.